Hey y'all, how are you today? It's me Gifty and you're watching AGA Vlogs. In today's video, you'll see how we'll be using just one pineapple and doing so many things out of it. So if you want to know, keep watching. So it's a last minute thing if you have a guest over and you don't know what to do and you want something pretty, delicious, healthy at the same time, this is what you need. All right, let's begin. So we need a pineapple and we'll be cutting the pineapple right from the center into two pieces, just like this. So for doing this, you need a really sharp knife. Just be very careful while using the knife, guys. So as you see me scraping each and every bit of pineapple out, just because I do not like wasting. So I want to use each and every bit of the fruit which could be used, and we'll make a fresh pineapple juice out of it. Why not? Right, I generally don't like drinking my water plain, so I always put some flavors in my water. So today I'll show you how we'll infuse our water with some fresh ginger, strawberry and pineapple. Why ginger? Well, ginger promotes digestive health. It's anti-inflammatory. It helps improve heart disease risk factors and helps prevent cancer. Now we'll be making fresh pineapple juice by using all the leftovers, and we'll be using a touch of organic honey. Right, now as I won't be able to finish the entire pineapple today and I'm traveling in the evening, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Ziploc bag, just turn the edges of it and put it on top of a bowl. Chop some pineapple and put it right in there, so in future I can use this pineapple for making smoothies, cocktails, mocktails, or for my pineapple infused water. Now we'll freeze it. Now hollowed pineapple bowl could be used for different things. You can arrange a nice fruit salad in there, you can arrange a nice fried rice and pineapple chicken in there, a nice ice cream dessert maybe, so many different stuff. So it's all about innovation, guys. Keep rocking and I love you all. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. To learn different fruit cuts, follow me on my next video and I'll show you how to make a beautiful summer fruit salad.